Every industrial journey begins far from the factory floor.
Here, corn becomes the promise of multiple products.
Separation starts at the very first contact.
Volume and precision define industrial farming.
This one is cleared for the trailer. Quality control begins long before machines.
Scale turns agriculture into industry. The journey now moves beyond the soil. Raw harvest meets industrial demand. Every kilogram is accounted for.
Logistics keep the system honest.
Sorry, Jax, go on.
Measurement turns harvest into data.
Precision governs every entry. From field to factory, the threshold is crossed.
Storage becomes the buffer of industry. This is where transformation truly begins.
Gravity becomes the first conveyor.
Millions of kernels, one controlled entry.
Control defines efficiency. Transport never truly stops. Even dust is engineered.
Protection is built into the path.
Elevation prepares distribution. Storage equalizes supply and demand.
Data governs every decision. Release is as important as intake.
Networks replace single paths.
Human oversight remains essential. Movement defines momentum. Preparation precedes precision. The first refinement begins here. Scale defines modern food industry. Everything flows toward transformation. Inside, systems take over. The boundary between raw and refined dissolves. Complexity is built layer by layer.
Discipline protects the process.
One crop, many outcomes. Purity starts with motion.
Each unit has a purpose.
Oversight happens in real time. Uniformity is engineered.
Clean air supports clean output.
Visibility sustains precision. Decisions observe every movement. Now, separation truly begins. Motion reveals what does not belong. Even the smallest particles are managed.
Waste exits early.
Uniform input ensures reliable output.
Vision replaces manual judgment.
Accuracy happens in milliseconds.
Only the best moves forward.
Human eyes still matter.
Density reveals hidden threats. Timing controls the next step. Clean surfaces improve separation. Water becomes a working tool. Moisture is now controlled. The raw becomes prepared.
Time and moisture unlock structure.
Softening prepares separation. Chemistry works quietly. Precision defines consistency. Structure is now ready to break. Force replaces patience. Components begin to separate.
Density starts the divide.
One path now becomes oil. What remains holds value too. Feed begins to take shape. Nothing is wasted. Starch now takes center stage. Separation reaches precision. Centrifugal force sharpens purity. This liquid holds industrial value. Every fraction finds its role.
Concentration increases efficiency.
Moisture is carefully removed.
Solid form begins to emerge. Heat completes the transformation. Particles meet controlled heat. Powdered starch is born. Stability ensures quality.
Product waits its final form.
Oil extraction begins with pressure. Liquid value is released. Refinement will follow.
Even remnants serve a purpose.
Automation synchronizes complexity. Data becomes the factory's language.
Flow is guided without hands.
Consistency is verified automatically.
Clarity is engineered. Byproducts gain new value. Heat is precisely controlled.
Humans still set intent.
Routing defines efficiency. Records preserve accountability.
The whole plant moves as one. Automation prepares the final touch.
Finishing defines performance.
Uniformity is engineered at scale. Nothing escapes specification. Measurement protects consistency. Purity is visible. Stability preserves quality.
Preparation shapes durability. Form adds strength.
Cooling completes formation. Only uniform feed advances. The product waits its exit.
Value is safely contained.
Multiple products reach completion. Diversity moves in sync. Now, proof replaces process. Every product must prove itself.
Random checks ensure consistency. Clarity must be confirmed. Nutrition is measured, not assumed. Controlled spaces protect accuracy.
Size impacts performance.
Chemical balance matters. Transparency reflects refinement.
Nutrition is quantified.
Safety extends beyond machines. Standards must be met.
Only approved product moves on.
Quality clears the path.
Verification gives way to delivery.
Form meets identity.
Liquid value is secured.
Nutrition is packaged at scale.
Automation completes the load.
Stability ensures safe travel. Production becomes inventory. Movement never stops. Distribution begins here. Responsibility is recorded.
Products move into the world. Three outcomes from one harvest. Order reflects precision.
The cycle nears completion.
And this is how modern factories produce cornstarch, oil, and animal feed from start to finish. Subscribe for more.